Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Saad Al-Habsi and I'm heading up the Partnership and Alliances for Ooredoo Oman. Today we are presenting some very unique solutions in the area of security for the Oman and Fire and Safety Convention. Security is a very important integral part of the community, and the solutions are quite unique to ensure the safety of the individuals and companies. We'd like to thank the exhibitors and the organizers for such a lovely event to showcase some of the very unique solutions. Our strategic partnerships with Dahua is a game changer for many of the solutions that we're going to offer, and working very closely for the safety not of individuals but the companies as well. Thank you very much.